Welcome to Motorhelmets in North Orange County, California, your premier parts, accessories, gear, and repair motorcycle shop. We work with all major motorcycle insurance companies. Motorhelmets, motorcycle repair shop in Orange County, California. For all insurance jobs, repairs, and service. Small to large jobs, minor to major repairs, all accident types. We make getting your bike back on the road affordable and less painful. We'll work closely with your insurance company to get the job done fast and maximize value for you. Our experienced insurance representatives will walk you through the entire process of getting your motorcycle into our shop, assessed, estimated, repaired, and your bike back on the road. We'll work closely with your motorcycle insurance agent and/or attorney to smooth the entire process for you. AAA Insurance, Allstate, Liberty Mutual, Nationwide, Progressive, MetLife, eAssurance, Farmers Insurance, 21st Century, State Farm, Mercury Insurance, USAA. Choose Motorhelmets in Fullerton, California, North Orange County as your repair shop of choice. Ask that we work on your bike and we'll get the job done right. Motorhelmets in Fullerton, California, off the 5 and 91 freeway. Call us at 714-879-8180. Online at motorhelmets.com.